Hi, I'm Molly Horak from the Horak Group with Remax Boone Realty in Columbia, Missouri. And today's seller's tip is to focus on the small repairs to make your home more appealing. A lot of folks think that making the giant, big kitchen remodel level repair is what's going to sell their house. In reality, having an overall cohesive level of finish and maintenance is more appealing. So a lot of buyers really hate seeing that one room that's been completely redone or the basement that's been finished in the last 6 months, and then the rest of the house looks like it's 20 years old. Ugh. People like consistency. So you might actually do better making consistent maintenance and repairs and small updates throughout the home than if you went and dropped a lot of money in one specific area. That's just my advice. Thanks so much, and I'll see you on the next one.